Everyone, let's hear from BG Trading. Hope you are well. Today is June 19th, 2023, and I'll be analyzing and pretty much providing a market update about the S&P ASX200, which is our top 200 company index that we normally trade quite often via some ETF, BBOs when we want to short, gear when we want to go long. And if you have been following us long enough, you know that we have been updating our thoughts on that based on our strategy on pretty much on a weekly basis. So let's have a look what's happening. I just want to remind you, this is a financial advice. It's just as from BG Trading, sharing with you how we apply our strategies to know when to buy and when to sell stocks, how we set up targets, stop losses, how we use our strategy to aim for 20 to 40% profit within 1 to 3 month lead time. That's all about the BGS20 strategy. And if you like the video, please subscribe and share with someone that you believe would be interested on this. Help our community to grow as well. I also like to invite you to become a member of our free Facebook community, Buy, Grow, and Sell Strategy for Share Traders. I will be putting the details at the description below. In this community, as normally said, we had a lot of great quality content, including some fantastic conversation with our members about potential buying opportunities. Some of the buying opportunities, just like this one that we have actually asked on a weekly basis to our members based on our KPIs, some stocks that they believe has a good potential, and then the good ones, the best ones, we normally go and analyze, and we share some of the analysis in this group as well. Okay, so also just before we roll out to the analysis, just want to remind you that we have end of financial year offer for anyone that is looking to become a VIP member, join BG Trading for the long term for 12 or 24 month membership program, and have access to chat with ourselves, our analyst, myself and Jonathan. You can access right now, and we're adding up extra 6 months for 1 year plan, and also 12 months for the 24 month plan. Essentially, you get 1.5 extra for that plan, and obviously have a chat with the analyst, and also access to all our entries in the market using BGS20 and our online trading course that we have available, so you can learn to apply our strategies yourself. Now, let's jump straight into what's happening. If you haven't been following us long enough, you know that we have been very skeptical and bearish, as the chart formation has been showing us a weakening into the ASX200, opposed to what's happening overseas with NASDAQ and Dow Jones. They're actually hitting its close levels than its all-time high. So ASX has been weak until last week, which we decided to close our BBOs position. We even post to our VIP members. That's what we get pretty much as well. So we close our BBOs position with 3.65% profit only. But again, I just want to remind you that BBOs, when we actually short the market, is more to mitigate any risk and offset potential losses if the market goes down really heavily. In this case, we close as a minimum profit, which is good enough, but mostly important, we can actually use those funds to trade all the stocks we invest elsewhere. So, but essentially, what we're seeing here, and as I said all the time, I'm very I believe on what I say, not on what I've been reading on the media out there, those multiple media sources talking about the market to be bullish or bearish or recession or whatever. What I really believe is on our strategy, and whatever we see in the chart formation, that's what we make decisions based on. And what I see here is some very compelling green candles on the upside here, suggesting that we prompt for a further rally. Also, the RSI, we see some relative strength into the index as well, which suggests again that we might have a rally within the next few weeks, which is positive for this stage, but enough for us to decide closing our position on BBOs last week, which is good actually. And potentially once the market tops up again, maybe on a 7,500 or 7,600, which is pretty much what we are looking at now, we will potentially buy back into BBRs and try to take advantage of the of potential sell-off as on the back of potential recession or whatever. But what we're seeing here is a bullish formation, and that's why we decide to close and buy further stocks in the market at the moment. Most of this bullish formation as result of some rally on iron ore stocks, and today some consumer staples stocks as well, and banks as well. Banks start sort of going up again, which is interesting, provided that we are still in the contraction phase. So we are always skeptical about it, but again, more important than what we think is what we are seeing on the chart formation. That's why we're taking decisions here at BG Trading. Chart formation for ASX200, just to summarize, it's bullish. We might see the index sort of heading towards 7,500 and potential 7,600. So this is what I'm actually looking at moment with the index. So sorry guys, just trying to get this back. So this is pretty much what I'm looking at the moment. Something like this, heading towards 7,550. Obviously, to get from B to C now, that's what we're looking at. I would suggest the market would go to 7,600 within the next few weeks. So that's what looks like here as per this chart formation. And the good thing is now, whatever entry is on the index. The index is currently trading at technically fair price, not at the discounted price, but at technically fair price, which is still far away from formal levels, which give any entry at the moment reasonably safe. Okay, not the best, not the best that we like, but still reasonably safe. You're not buying the index or the major stocks at the formal levels yet, not yet. Potentially, maybe within a month or two. This lead time suggests that we have a point C, some stage around July, potentially mid of July, and then if that's so, that will confirm our projection right here. Hope you enjoy. Let us know what you think about ASX200. And if you agree or disagree, put in the comments below. And remember of taking our end of financial year offer. Great opportunity. Lasts until 30th of June this month. Have a fantastic week. I'll see you next video. Bye. The whole idea when we designed BG Trading BGS20 strategy was to use only a set number of indicators to make it simple and clear to understand, and to be able to apply our KPIs very easily and very effectively. So you don't have to be any Wall Street smart person to be able to apply those strategies. We really hope this course will help you to make better decisions and make successful trades. See you in the course.